Is the black stone in your hand a real black diamond or just an ordinary rock? In this video, I'll show you simple and safe tests you can do at home to tell the difference. Black diamond, also known as carbonado, is extremely hard and has a strong mirror-like shine, while ordinary stones like obsidian or basalt have a glassy or dull luster and are much softer. The first test is the shine. Place the stone under a strong light. If it reflects sharply like a mirror, that's a positive sign. If it looks dull or glassy, it's likely just a regular stone. Second, the ice test. Place the stone on an ice cube. If the ice melts noticeably faster than with another stone of similar size, that's an indicator of black diamond, since it conducts heat quickly. Third, check with a 10x loupe. Black diamond shows a polished surface with fine granular texture, while glass may show tiny bubbles and basalt reveals grains and minerals. Fourth, the density test. Weigh the stone and measure its volume in water. If the density is between about 3 and 3.5, that supports it being a black diamond, while glass or basalt are usually lighter. Fifth, the UV light test. Black diamonds usually do not fluoresce under ultraviolet light, unlike some other stones. Remember, these tests are indicators, not final proof, so for a definite answer, use a diamond tester device or send the stone to a certified laboratory. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share pictures of your black stones in the comment.